Good morning, all of you. Continuing the last class of the fuzzy sets problems. So here, consider the two fuzzy sets given by x fuzzy equal to 0.9 by 4, 0.6 by 2, 0.5 by 7, 0.8 by 9, 0 by 1, and fuzzy y is equal to 0.1 by 4 plus 0.5 by 2 plus 1 by 7, 0.6 by 9, 0.4 by 1. Calculate the union operation between fuzzy x and y, intersection operation between fuzzy x and y, complement of fuzzy x, which means x bar, and complement of fuzzy x and fuzzy y. In between, we have to perform union operation. Similarly, union operation between fuzzy x and complement of fuzzy y. So here initially you can write the given fuzzy set values x and y in an order. So actually given 0.9 by 4, 0.6 by 2, 0.5 by 7. Now here we can write in a order. So like that 0 by 1 plus 0.6 by 2 plus 0.9 by 4 plus 0.5 by 7 plus 0.8 by 9. So the numerator terms all are represented as a membership functions, and here denominator values are represented as the boundary values, and similarly you can write the fuzzy y in a order. So first one is calculate the union operation between fuzzy x and y. So how to write in a fuzzy set the maximum value of x comma y. So that is, you can observe here first value in the fuzzy set membership function 0, in fuzzy y 0.4. So which one is the maximum value? 0.4. Similarly 0.6, 0.5. Maximum value is 0.6. 0.9, 0.1. Maximum value is 0.9. 0.5, 1. Maximum value is 1. 0.8, 0.6. Maximum value is 0.8. So the union operation between fuzzy x and y, it is the answer. Similarly, intersection operation between fuzzy x and y. So how to write minimum of x comma y? So the minimum membership values are represented here. So observe here the minimum values 0, and here 0.5, and here 0.1, and here 0.5, and here 0.6. So which is the answer. Similarly, complement of fuzzy x, that equal to x bar is equal to, how to write 1 minus x. So that equal to, observe the given fuzzy set x. Now x bar is equal to 1 minus x. So only the change in the membership values. So 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 0.6, 0.4. 1 minus 0.9, 0.1. 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. 1 minus 0.8. So that equal to 0.2. So which is the complement of fuzzy x. Similarly, union operation between x bar and y. So the union operation means maximum of given two fuzzy sets, that is x bar and y. Already we are calculated x bar and y is the given fuzzy set. So here we are performing the union operation between the two fuzzy sets. So now it is the answer. Similarly, y bar, because you may require union operation between x and y bar. So y bar is equal to 1 minus given fuzzy y. So here the given fuzzy set y and y bar is equal to 1 minus y is equal to 1 minus 0.4, that equal to 0.6. 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. 1 minus 0.1 and 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 0.6. So which is the complement of given fuzzy set y. So here x union y bar, so that is union operation. Maximum of x comma y bar equal to 0.6 by 1, because you are check the given fuzzy set x and complement of the y. So here 0.6 by 1, 0.6 by 2, 0.9 by 4 plus 0.5 by 7 plus 0.8 by 9. So these are the maximum membership values between fuzzy x and y. So now we can see the one more type of model problem in the fuzzy sets. So here consider an amplifier capacity on a normalized universe, say 0, 100, can be described linguistically by the following fuzzy variables: powerful value and weak membership. These are the two types of the functions. Previously given x and y, instead of that one, some linguistic variables like that in terms of words, powerful, so 0 by 1 plus 0.4 by 10 plus 0.8 by 50 plus 1 by 100. Similarly, weak membership function values 1 by 1 plus 0.9 by 10 plus 0.3 by 50 plus 0 by 100. So for these membership functions, here we are calculate the union intersection operations and complements are like that. So here powerful and or weak, actually it is a wrong question. The actual question answer is powerful and weak, or powerful or weak, and very powerful or weak. So whenever those type of statements are asked in the questions, we can keep a note. So those are the simply shortcuts. So and operation simply replaced by intersection, and union already were discussed in the last class. So that is a logical OR operation. So OR representation union, very representation a square, slightly representation a power 0.5 or a power 1 by 2, not means 1 minus a, plus a means a power 1.25, minus a means a power 0.75, very means a square whole square. So whenever you can keep note in your mind, we can simply solve this problem. First you can write the given data, powerful and weak membership functions values. So the first one is powerful and weak. So actually the question is powerful and or weak. So it's not a correct. We may write the powerful and weak or powerful or weak. So these are the correct statement. So powerful and weak equal to, how to representation of and replaced by intersection. So powerful intersection weak. In case of fuzzy, how to represent the intersection? Minimum values. So minimum of powerful comma weak. So that equal to 0 by 1. So observe here. So what is the minimum value? Membership function value 0. 0 and 1, the minimum value 0. 0.4, 0.9, minimum value 0.4. 0.8, 0.3, minimum value is 0.3. 1, 0, minimum value is 0. So which is the union or intersection operation between powerful and weak. Similarly, powerful or weak. So R is replaced by union. So union in the sense maximum of powerful comma weak. So that is, observe here, maximum values 1, and here 0.9, and here 0.8, and here 1. So which is the powerful or weak. Similarly, second one, very powerful or weak. In a given problem, only the given powerful. Then how to represent the very powerful? So observe this one. Very means whole square. So how to represent the very powerful means powerful whole square. So that equal to, we can change the only magnitude of the membership value. So we do not change the boundary limits values. So powerful fuzzy is 0, 0.4, 0.8, 1 from the given problem. And very powerful means powerful whole square. That equal to, we can write the 0 square, 0.4 whole square, 0.8 whole square, and 1 square. So therefore 0, 0.4 whole square 0.16, 0.8 whole square is 0.64, and 1 whole square is the 1. So which is the powerful whole square. But we may require very powerful or weak. So that is powerful whole square or union weak. So powerful whole square, which is already calculated, and weak is already represented in the given problem. So union in the sense maximum of powerful whole square comma weak. So we can compare the maximum values between powerful whole square and weak. We can write this answer. Similarly, very powerful and not weak. So here very powerful means representation of powerful whole square and whole square. Okay, so already we are calculated powerful whole square, and again whole square means again we can change the only the membership value, that is 0 square, 0.16 whole square, 0.64 whole square, and 1 square. So which is the very powerful, that is powerful square and whole square value. And not weak means representation of 1 minus weak. So we can subtract the weak membership value from the maximum membership value, that equal to 1. So observe the weak statement. So that is 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0.9, 0.1, 1 minus 0.3, 0.7, 1 minus 0, 1. So which is the not weak. Now here we are perform the operation very powerful and not weak. That is powerful whole square and whole square intersection 1 minus weak. So intersection in the sense minimum values between those two linguistic variables. Similarly, very powerful and very weak. So very weak in the sense weak whole square. Very powerful already were calculated in the previous step. So here un in the sense your representation of intersection. So that is a minimum of powerful whole square and weak square. Now it is the answer for this. So now we can see what are the major differences between classical set and a fuzzy set. Classical set or crisp set, both are similar. So here in the classical set we are defined, so either the value is 0 or 1, that is yes or no. In case of fuzzy set we are defined so values between 0 to 1. And classical set, what are the properties? All those are the precise properties. In case of fuzzy set, those are imprecise properties. And crisp set is full membership functions, and fuzzy sets, those are the partial membership functions. And in case of properties, in a classical set, the law of excluded middle and non-contradictions are satisfied. That is A intersection A bar is equal to 5 and A union A bar is equal to X. That is universe of discourse, and phi is the null set. So in case of fuzzy set, those two properties are not satisfied. And observe the another comparison, which is simply a Boolean logic or a crisp logic. So that is 0 to 1. But in case of fuzzy set, always the membership function values either 0 or in between 0 to 1. That is considered as one of the example 0.5. And the crisp logic is same as the Boolean logic, either 0 or 1. And the fuzzy logic captures the degree of which is something is true. So crisp set is defined by crisp boundaries, that is there is no uncertainty about the location of the set boundaries. And a fuzzy set is defined by its ambiguous boundaries, that is there exists uncertainty about the location of the boundaries. So the crisp sets are widely used in the digital system design, and the fuzzy sets are used in the fuzzy controllers. Okay. I hope all of you understand this lecture. We are continuing in the next class. Thank you.